What I love about this eyeliner is that you can create so many different looks. Chic, sophisticated, cool, rebellious, anything your heart desires. Okay, so think of your eyeliner application in 3 sections and connect as you go. You can actually utilize your lashes as a guide for where to begin and end the line of eyeliner. Turn the pen as needed to utilize different angles to connect the 3 segments of liner into one smooth line as you go. Just finish off with a coat of Climax mascara. Since I'm doing a cat eye, I'm going to create a wing by laying the brush against the outer edge of the lash line. I lay the tapered end of the brush right against the lashes and the outer corner. And you could start with a little bit less. You can always add more to make the wing bigger or to extend it out further. And to complete the look, just finish off with a coat of Climax mascara. The unique tapered brush of this liner allows for creativity with trying different eye looks. I'm holding the brush horizontally to thicken the line. So this creates more of an editorial, more runway look, and then you can build it a little bit higher and make it more intense based on how you're feeling, your personality, what you're wearing, and you can really truly make the look your own.